So guys, this, I don't know why I buy this, you know. This was a mistake. Dude, I just bought something from you. Let me show the people first before I buy something else. Let me.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, when me tell you something excited, I am so excited. As you see the title, you already know. You already know why I'm so excited, because I have a package from Temu. Now guys, first of all, let's rewind. If you're just watching this video, first time coming over to KeneishaSays, welcome to the family over here. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And for those coming back, welcome. Today, I'm excited. If you don't know, Keneisha loves shopping. And I did say that for my New Year resolution, I was gonna go and kind of reduce the amount of shopping that I have been doing. And I have, believe it or not. But let me tell you something. One of my girlfriends sent over, it was like a referral or something. I guess Temu have this thing where if you refer a friend, you get additional discount on certain things. And I don't know. I was like, nah, this is not for me. Like, me love cheap, but this is like really, I don't know. It's just a little bit too cheap. Like, I just couldn't believe the prices and stuff. And so I'm like, as much as I love cheapness, I don't think Temu is for me, because it's just too cheap. So something must wrong with it. And I mentioned it to my sister, and she's like, you know what? If you're gonna try it, just do a couple small items and stuff like that, because she's not a fan of the clothes, like the quality, not a fan. So I'm like, all right, let me check it out. Let me see what the hype is about, okay? I didn't get to use my friend's thingy-majig, but I went ahead and I downloaded the app. And Temu, I'm gonna tell you, Temu online, them send a notification every second. Don't put on them baskets, because they might send a coupon upon discount, because you need to go shop. You need to do it right now, okay? So I finally said, you know what? Let me just try it. So I got the package. It came actually yesterday, and the shipping is not so bad. I think it took me like maybe 5 business days to get it. If not, maybe a little bit less. I spent a little bit over $60 for all these packages and for all this stuff. And it's mostly handbags. So I was trying it out, right? So with further ado, let's go into it, okay? Let's do this. Once we see more door, a them say pack. They're not like Amazon. Them stuff everything in a one bag. Them not waste nothing. Everything in one bag. Okay. Now Amazon give 10 bags or 10 boxes with some very small item. Temu said no. So guys, all right, let's jump into this, right? Okay. So this is a little bag for my daughter, and this come really small. Like, I was expecting a little bit more. They're not sponsoring this video, so I will not be leaving anything in the description box. I'm sorry. But I'll show you the item and I'll tell you the names, right? So this is, no, it's a middle name. It doesn't say the name. But this is basically like one of them, what do you call this again? Pop-it bag, a little bag that I got for my daughter. I thought it was cute. So this is the pop-it bag. Got for my daughter. Very cute. Unicorn. She loves unicorn. She loves pink. So this is perfect. And it's little and cute. She can just drop her little fandangles. I thought it was going to be bigger. It also has straps that comes inside the bag. Alright. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but hey, this is not bad. I think I got it for like, I think this was like $2 something. I'm not sure. Let's put on the straps. Okay, nails not working, man. Oh, let's try this again. All right, one in, one more to go. And there we go. I think you'll really love this. This is so cute. It is very cute. All right, small but doable. So, okay. Also get this for my daughter. Oh, this one is bigger. It's another unicorn bag. Again, then don't put a description on it. Just put like the colors, so multicolor. They don't put the names on it like how you would have on the website. So this is another bag for my daughter. It's so cute. It is super cute. And the material is so nice. It's so soft and nice. So it has a handle here, and then you have like a strap you can put over your shoulder, like a cross bag, right here. See, I'm talking about Temu right now, man. Right now, I'm doing this video and notification coming from my phone. Temu, like, dude, I just bought something from you. Let me show the people first before I buy something else. Let me. So this is inside, and I think this is reasonable size for her. She's 4. So I think this is cute. This is very cute. I like this. I like this. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay, let's do this. Let's jump into this. What is this? Again, no description. This is a blue pink. So I'm gonna know what to do. It is the sunglasses, people. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Ooh. I don't know. I'm gonna wear glasses, so I can't really see them something here. But it was like $1 something. And it's so cute. It's a, look at this. What? It's actually nice. And I can actually see through this. Like, I'm not... What? Oh, I love this. I love this from me. Like, what do you think? Okay. Okay. I like this. I love this. This is so cute. This is so cute. Pink and blue, my favorite colors. Like, this is giving. This is giving luxury. This is not even $1 something. This is not giving $1. Like, what? And it's so firm. Like, it's not like, you know, like loose or anything like that. It's so firm. This is beautiful. Temu, you're going yourself. Yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize for what I said about you all and what I assumed y'all to be. I apologize. You are, yeah, I'm not going yourself. So that's 3 items so far. Let's see. Okay. Let's go into the bag. Let's go into the bag. Let's go into the bags. People. Look at this. This is like, again, they don't give any description. This is a green and clear bag. Very cute. Very trendy. Gold hardwares. Open it up. You have the zipper inside. The shape is not even the shape immediately, but I guess when you start putting stuff inside of it, then you'll actually see the shape. And then you have the strap inside. Okay. Let's see how the strap looks when you actually... Let me stuff everything inside the bag. So of course it's not gonna have the shape right now. Like you would have to start putting stuff inside of it for it to actually start getting the shape. But this is it. Look at this. This is super cute. I love this. I love this. I haven't seen anything yet. I'm like, no, this is given. Let me put the strap on. I think I need to come and want to show me up on camera. Like, stop it. I'm not new to this. Stop it, man. Alright, one on. Okay, so this is it. Again, the shape is not like really fitting right now because I'm crushed everything in the bag. That's the only thing I don't like so far. Like, they just stuffed everything on the bag. I don't know what things that come out. There's like some, you know, the clown carry them, and you have all these clowns just keep on coming out of this one baby car. Like that's how they stuff everything in the bag. So I really don't like their packaging, but for the items so far, yeah. And then you can actually extend, still have a little space in it. Yeah. Yeah, it's given. I like this. I like this. I like this. This is very cute. This is very cute. I love this. Alright, Temu. Just give me a little more space in their packaging. That's all I'm gonna ask. Oh. Guys, I don't know when I'm gonna start putting on stuff. I forgot I got a t-shirt from them. Again, they're not giving like the information. They don't give the description on their packages. They only give you like the colors. So this is black. So I just love this top. It looks big though. This is supposed to be a medium, and it looks huge. Like it's supposed to do like an oversized look, but I feel like this is too much. Let's see how this is looking. It's not bad. I even feel like it's smaller than I am. This is cute. It's not bad. I love this. I love it. Yeah. I'm into t-shirts now, so I like this. And it has the shirt under it that I have on, and it's still like, yeah. I like it. And the material is so soft, like it's super soft. It didn't say what kind of material it is, but like it feels, it's not cotton. It's not giving cotton, but it's like it's soft, and it feels really thick. You know, feel like, I think I got this for like, I think it was like $5 or something. But it's not giving $5. It don't feel $5-ish. It don't feel $5-ish. So yeah, this is really nice, guys. I like this. The top is really nice. Yeah. Yeah, Temu. No disappointments yet. None yet. None yet. Alright. Let's go into this. What is this? People may buy things not to know me buy. Oh my god. I saw this after I purchased it. I'm like, what did I just buy? There's no way you're gonna get me wear this. I'm gonna do this afterwards because it's supposed to be like a top and a shirt, but for some reason I think I was buying the pants. There was a pantsuit, just kind of crushed. Feel like more, I'm not know the material, like spandex, let me know. It's supposed to be a top and a shorts. I'll try this on after. Let's save this for a little later. Let's put this down a little bit. This I don't mind. This is like maybe in my teenage years, but like you're not gonna have me wear this. Like no, nope. So let's put this on afterwards and see how that looks. Jump back into the bags. Let's jump back into the bags. So this one supposed to be like a heart. It says leather pink bag. Ooh, it's actually nice. This feels so soft and nice. It has a zipper here. Oh, it has the straps in here. Oh, so like, oh, this is the zipper, like this one. So see, like it has just a zipper at the front here. It's not at the top. So at the top, you have where you put the strap, and the strap is gold and it's knotted. Oh Lord. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that now. You get the idea. I'll fix this afterwards. Like I don't got time for that right now. And it's like it's sewn on to it, the thing, to the bag. Look like it might pop off if you put too much things in it. Like it may break. It might break off. But hey, this is cute too. Yeah. Like what? All these bags are like under $10. Yeah. This was like $5 or something. You're going yourself, Temu. I like this. It can't hold a lot. You can literally see it cannot hold a lot. But that's okay. It can't hold my phone and it can't hold my keys. That's all it needs. Yeah. Drop the credit card and my ID night. Good to go. So this is it. Yep. Let's see what else we have in these bags. Ooh. Oh, I thought this was gonna be bigger too. This is supposed to be like a backpack. Oh no, trick me. Oh no, trick me. This is... Okay, so this is pink. Yeah. It's supposed to be like a little backpack thing. I don't even know, like... But it's small. It's small. I think you can still just like run to the store and stuff, like drop your little thing inside of it, whatever. How you fix this now? How this work? Has to the back you have like this little thingamajig. I guess you put this in here. And then this goes so. We're figuring this out together, okay? Let's figure this out together. I really thought this was gonna be bigger. I guess that, I don't know. Look right? That's all? That's it? I don't know. It looks weird. Like, why does just hang off like this? It's supposed to push back somewhere? Like, what? But, I don't know. Like, you're not even wear this so like, this is just... This is it. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's super small, but it's still cute. But this is confusing the hell out of me. Like, this is supposed to be just hanging like this. Is this supposed to just be hanging? Like, I don't know. But it's still giving cute. It's still giving cute. So, okay. It's still giving cute. So, I just don't like this weird thing. It's just hanging like that. But it has inside here, it looks reasonable. I mean, I was just expecting like a regular size, not a regular size backpack, but you know, like a little bit bigger than this. And it has a little bit of pocket here as well. So not bad, but I thought it was gonna be bigger as well. Okay, this one is this yellow bag. Again, do not get the description on it, so I don't know. And they're making me work. They're giving me work. This is the bag. Again, it lost the shape because everything is stuffed inside of the packaging. Really don't like that. You guys really need to do better than that. But this is supposed to be like string up. It's supposed to be like a little, like seriously. When I couldn't, them never know some lazy. Like, why I couldn't just alright, fine. Let's do it together. Let's run no. Like, alright, okay. So let's put it to the front. I can guess in this start at the front. Push through like a shoes lace. Let's do this together. Temu, if you do better, man. I understand that the price cheap, but still, like, do the work. Jesus. Never signed up for this at all. I did not sign up for this at all, man. Okay, it's coming. It's not so bad. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. All right. And let's go like this, like a drawstring. Put on the oil now. Okay, and I get to tie this in like how the other one is tied. Right now. Jesus. Okay, there we go. Alright, so here it is. Closes like this. So it looks like this. Yeah. And then you have the strap. So there you go. So it's worn like it's not just one level, but it's just cute. Apart from the work one I'm just giving for a while ago. It doesn't have the shape, but you're gonna get the idea as to how it should look. I like this as well. It's really nice cross bag. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, the light is like going in and out, guys. I'm using natural light, so there we go. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, so this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. I like this, apart from the work. Here we have another bag, but this is smaller than I thought. Come closer. I'm gonna come closer. Come here. Come here. Jesus. This is like really small. Like I wasn't expecting this to be super small. I love the colors of this. That's why I bought it. And I have another haul I'm gonna be doing shortly, where I got some jackets to fit this. Well, yeah, gold hardware, the inside. This is not bad. Again, it lost the shape because of the stuffing inside of the package. But the bottom should be like this. Let me just ram everything inside. Not for the better. Not for the better, Temu. Alright, let's see how this works now. This one is something nice. I don't know what this is for. You see it? I don't know what that is for. But like I guess the straps are here, it connects it together here, and again we're gonna fight with nails to get it off. Alright, so got this off. Let's strap this up together. Okay, hold on, wait, go. Where'd you put it? Where does the strap go? What is? Oh, I think it goes in. I think it goes inside here, and then it hooks inside. So let's do this. Okay. So it hooks, and you hook it together in here. So I think it's like this. You hook it here, and then it worn like this. Okay. A little bit unusual. So I figured it out. So this is it. Another crossbody bag. This one is not as long, so I think I would actually wear this more of like just the shoulders. I go to wear it more here. It's small bad. It's small bad, but I love the colors. I love the colors of it, and once it gets the shape, like once you get this shape, it's really small. Okay, alright, enough. So yeah, this is it. Come close, let me say. Sure, it's not still far so. So this is it. It's very small. It's super small. It's hella small. But still so cute, right? I guess you can't get it all. Next one. It's another pink bag. Who wanna pick up your pink? I'm my favorite color.
I don't know why that's
Major quarter. So this again lost the shape because it was stuffed, but this is really cute. This is similar to, I got it inside here. Ooh, it comes with a ribbon. I don't remember what this is for. I think this, I don't know. I'm gonna look back on the picture and see how this works. I don't remember how this works, but I guess this works similar to the other one where you put this inside of the hole. All right, so I'm putting the straps in so you can have a feel or get an idea as to how it looks, just like the other ones. And again, this one is knotted, and let's just fix that. So we have this here. So this, I really don't remember how this should be looking, but like in the meantime, I think I just tied here. Just tied right here. I don't remember how it looks right there. I don't know. I don't remember how it looks, but this is like, I think this would be too short as well to be worn as a crossbody bag. This, not for me. So that's it. This is it for this. So there it looks in person. And it has that little opening. It's a reasonable size bag to put your phone and stuff inside of it as well. So it's not as small. It's definitely bigger than the black one. Oh, so I have the brown one for it. It looks similar. And it also has the ribbon thingamajig under. So let's see how they did this one. Oh, they wrap it. You like wrap and tuck. This is the brown one, similar to it. So I guess this one, let's see. Let me see if I can follow them. Then wrap it and tuck it and tuck it. So this goes like this. Person who did this one was really lazy and didn't want to do the full work. But thank you to the other person that actually did the brown one. She talking at the wall here, so come now, go in the wall, go in the wall. So, but it's something like this. Something like that, I guess. Like, you get an idea? I'll figure it out and I'll fix it better. But for just for viewing sake, it's something like this. And then you still have the strap. Alright, so that's that. This is the brown one, as I said before. So this is how they wrap this one. Alright, and it's the same size. Same size, it's reasonable size. And then the straps again is placed inside of the hole here. So it's like this. Yeah. So cute bag. I wish the straps were a little bit longer or they could be adjusted. Because if they were adjusted, like I could actually do like more of a crossbody. We got one more left. We actually have two more. That one. This is like just like the again the pink one that we had, like this one. Or this pink one. So I have the brown and I have the pink. So it's the same concept of it. Right? Same thing. Same crazy strap thing. So yeah. I got two of these. And last but definitely not least, I got this necklace. It's the crown unicorn silver necklace for my daughter. Again, she's 4. So here it is. Here's the packaging. Package on this I really like. So everything is all safe inside of it. Let's see if I can take it out. Okay, and then it's also in another plastic here, so that is good. She's gonna be excited for this. She loves unicorns. She's a pinky. She's a girly girl. Right? So here it is. really cute, right? Silver. So it says, "You are magical." So, yeah. So guys, I forgot that I had taken this out, but I did not try it on. People, this, I don't know. I don't know why I buy this, you know. This was a mistake. This was a mistake. Like, where can you should have gone at this? No, so first of all, I'm gonna have the belly feet. But this is what I'm thinking. First of all, the material is very thin, super thin. And it feels like swimsuit material, right? Me, somebody else, but not me. But this is what I'm thinking. Hold on. Now this looks a little bit better. I'm a little bit covered. So I feel like this, what do you think? I feel like if I'm gonna do this, I still don't know where I would wear this to. Like, this is just out of my comfort zone, right? But I feel like if Mr. My wants wear this go somewhere, I don't know where. I seriously don't know where, because I don't think I'll wear this out of my house at all. But at least having a little cardigan on it, makes it look a little bit better. So tell me what you think. But this is definitely a no-no. Luckily, I would spend no money on this. But yeah, I don't think this is for me. I don't think this is for me at my age. No. But yeah. So I think if for some odd reason this ever wear this also my yard, I would definitely have to get a cover up for this. Work off my belly and something. But like, this is a no for me. But again, it's not because I don't know, it's just not my style. It's just not my style. So yeah, first of all, I hope you enjoyed the video. My take on Temu, they have really nice stuff, reasonable prices. The quality are very good. Like, they're not feeling cheap or stuff. They can actually feel like they have good material. Some size just trick you, and I know, but it's okay. It's okay. I really love most of these bags. Well, apart from a couple of the sizes that kind of caught me off guard, and some of the extra work that I had to do. But for the most part, they're really nice. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and share. Tell a friend. Go ahead and like, share the video. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And until later, bye-bye.
Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.